Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock camera on your hero in Dota 2 on PC. Let's get started. When your camera is locked, the screen automatically follows your hero. You don't have to manually scroll the map, makes farming, team fights, and moving around easier. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants smoother control. To lock the camera on PC, open settings, then click on hotkeys, then camera. Find the option and lock the camera. Assign it to a key that easy to press like space F1 or C. Press this key in game to lock the camera on. Your hero will now stay concentrated on your screen automatically. If you don't want full camera lock, you can use follow hero instead. This is useful when you need to look around the map temporarily. Use camera lock during lane phases to focus on last hitting. Unlock temporarily if you want to check other lanes or wards, combined with mini-map awareness for better control. And that's it. Now you know how to lock the camera on your hero in Dota 2 on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.